Dear passengers, you will be flown to Banda Aceh, a heaven for culinary lovers.
Welcome to a place where you can enjoy a culinary experience in an extraordinary way. A dish that is not only about taste, it's an adventure. An adventure about getting world of taste in just one city. An adventure to be a part of a perfect ancient concoction. A unique way in cooking process. Experienced chef. And of course, attraction. Every mouthful is like a party that explodes with every bite. You can enjoy it directly on the spot. Or top it up with a stunning view out of the window. More exciting, enjoy it on the crashing wave of Uleli Beach, which is full of history. Each dish tells the richness of spices and the freshness of selected ingredients. Every taste is an orchestration of flavors. Listen. Like a symphony. And finally, end your day perfectly with a cup of delicious Aceh coffee. In an extraordinary way, you can choose to enjoy togetherness in a modern cafe. Or at a culinary location that maintains cultural heritage as your reason for visiting. Your tongue is not just a sense, but a witness to the masterpiece of taste, which will determine what your mood will be like for today. Enjoy a slice of heaven on your tongue for an authentic delicacy. A pampering sensation, moment that you want to repeat it over and over again. Only in Banda Aceh. Charming Banda Aceh.